solve some math problems here. Okay. If a equals 4, then a cubed divided by a is equal to. So we're given here the value of a, which is 4. Then we just have to plug in the value of a. So a cubed divided by a. So this is just equal to 4 cubed divided by 4. And 4 cubed is just 64, equals 64, because that is 4 times 4 times 4. So 64 divided by 4. So this expression here is just equal to 16. So our answer here is 16. Okay, let's try another problem here. So 12 yards plus 14 feet divided by 5. So in this case, we have different units of measurement. We have the yards and the feet. So we have to be consistent in our unit. So we can convert yards to feet or feet to yards, either way. So it depends on what we have in the options, in the choices. So let's just convert yards to feet first. So 1 yard is just equal to 3 feet. So we have 12 yards here. So let's just convert 12 yards to feet. So 12 yards times 1 yard is to 3 feet. So this cancels out, and you'll be left with the unit feet. So that will be 12 times 3, which is just equal to 36 feet. And now we can solve this. So this would be 36 feet plus 14 feet divided by 5. So this is 50 feet divided by 5 is just equal to 10 feet. 10 feet is in the choices, so we will write in our conversion of units. Because if you're going to convert 14 feet to yards, the answer wouldn't be in the choices. Okay, let's try another example here. What's the equation of a line that passes through points 0, -1, and 2, 3? So what are we going to do first? We know that the equation of the line is y equals mx plus b, where m here is our slope, the rise of a run, and then b here is our y-intercept. So the first thing we do here is to solve for our slope, since we are given 2 points on the line. Okay, so let's use the slope formula. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So given the 2 points, 0, -1, then 2, 3. So we can denote the first point as x1, y1, and the second point as x sub 2, y2. Now we can solve for our slope. We just plug in the values of x's and y's. So y sub 2 is 3 minus -1 over 2 minus 0. So this is 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. Therefore, our slope is just equal to 2. Now we can write our equation as y equals 2x plus b, because the value of our slope is 2. Now, to complete the equation of the line, we need to solve for our b, the y-intercept. To do that, we can choose any of the 2 points given. So let's choose point 0, negative 1. Okay, so choose 0, negative 1. So let's plug in this point to this equation to solve for the value of our y-intercept, which is the b. So our y, okay, this is xy. Our y is negative 1 equals 2 times 0. So the value of y is equal to negative 1 when x is equal to 0. So this is 0. Therefore, b is just equal to negative 1. So now we can write our equation as y equals 2x, because our slope is 2, plus negative 1. You can just write that as minus 1. So the equation of the line is y equals 2x minus 1. Mode of the following series of numbers. So we're given here a series of numbers. So how are we going to calculate for the mode? So we place all numbers in a given set in order, and this can form from the lowest to the highest or the highest to the lowest. So in this case, the numbers are already arranged from the lowest to the highest, and then we just have to count how many times each number appears in the set. So the one that appears the most is the mode. So number 4 here appears twice, 8 appears thrice, 10 twice, twice. Okay, so we notice here that 8 appears the most. So therefore 8 is our mode.